Do you know why your team is working for you? There will be one team क्योंकि दूसरी जगह ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता. There will be one team जिनको ऑप्शन है but still they want to work with you.
So simple that care. बट जब हम केयर करने जाते हैं लोग हमारे सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं.
धोखा देने वाले लोग तो है ही आजू बाजू में. I got a very good answer from the spirituality point of view.
हाँ क्योंकि लगता है हमने इतना किया, हमने सब सिखाया, हमने किया और ये सीख के चले गए.
ये पुराने जमाने के जब फैक्ट्रीज थे, ये मेरा नौकर है, ये मेरा एम्प्लॉय है, doesn't work in the digital world.
एक छोटी एजेंसी या एक छोटा स्टार्टअप ऐसे कौन से स्टेप्स ले कि वो ग्रो करे. I would not say overnight, but eventually in 4 months, 6 months. ऐसी कौन सी मिस्टेक्स है जो उनको अवॉइड करनी चाहिए.
So what I have learned from my journey, और ये मुझे कोई चीजें पहले ही सिखाता था, I would have been here faster. You know, जिस चीज को 10 साल लगे वो 4-5 साल में हो जाती थी. The first one is leave that attitude of I know it all. मुझे किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं किसी के पास हेल्प जाने नहीं. ईगो वगैरह जो होता है, everyone should remove that and be more curious. I don't know anything, and accept it. And go out and ask people for help. First thing is asking help is the most strong thing, brave thing you can do, than not asking for it.
Right.
So the mistake I did initially was not going to people to ask help.
Yeah.
Second, your people are very important. So delegation जो है, instead of doing day-to-day tasks खुद होके and fearing कि मैं नहीं करूँगी तो कोई नहीं करेगा. Try to put your trust, faith into people quicker. Now, if I tell you, यहाँ पे, do you know why your team is working for you? There will be one team क्योंकि दूसरी जगह ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता.
Right.
There will be one team जिनको ऑप्शन है but still they want to work with you. Now, when these kind of people come with you and you identify them, make sure you have your vision, you have communicated well with them, and then you are helping them grow with you. Because they are not behind transaction, they are behind a future with you.
Right.
ऐसे लोगों को बहुत टाइम मत दो कि है तो granted मत लो.
Right.
So growing people, delegation is very important because you can't do everything alone. You need people. That is one most important second point. Third, I would say is sales. Don't ignore on sales कि काम आ रहा है, reactive मत रहो. Go out and get new sales. वो chicken and egg जैसा है वो. पहले sales है, पहले लोग. What do you think?
Yeah, I think both.
We always say अच्छे लोग आएंगे तो अच्छे client लेके आएंगे.
ये मेरे साथ है कि पहले टीम बिल्ड हो जाए फिर मैं क्लाइंट
के साथ है, मेरे साथ है, तुम्हारे साथ है. Everyone going through this journey, उनके पास भी ये है. By COVID, I took 6 years to figure this out. But now the answer is there. You have to bring sales first. Everything else follows. So COVID में some companies must have removed their sales teams. The biggest mistake a company can do is removing sales team. सबसे पहला काम है sales team बढ़ाओ in bad times. That is third one. And fourth, not final, but जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है is really care for your clients, care for the work that you are doing, really care for your people, or even your friends, family. Let everything come from your heart. Not just from your brain. Don't see everything as transaction. Don't think everything as money. If you really do things from your heart for people and they do it from heart for the client, there is no ways you cannot grow because the client को समझता है.
When you say this, it sounds so simple that care. But जब हम care करने जाते हैं लोग हमारे सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं. ऐसे बहुत टाइम लोगों का कहना है. मैं तो मेरे दिल से भी आ रहा है बट है कि लोग people when they ditch you, they take you for granted.
Yes.
Okay. And फिर आपको लगता है यार why इससे अच्छा तो हम भी वैसे रूड वाले बॉस रहे जैसे बाकी सब पे तो बराबर लोग काम करते हैं। हम ज्यादा अच्छा बनने चाहते हैं तो पीपल यू नो दे बैकस्टैब अस ओनली। तो ये कैसे, व्हाट टू डू इन दिस केस? क्या आपके साथ हुआ?
I got this answer. I was going through these issues till very recently. Though I was always caring, I still do. And I'm backstabbed like everyone else.
Yes.
तो धोखा देने वाले लोग तो है ही आजू बाजू में.
Yes.
I got a very good answer from the spirituality point of view, which is one of my very passionate thing. कि what others do, जो दूसरे कर रहे हैं ना, वो अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं है. Only thing that is in our control is us. Now, if we want to be caring, we are doing good for people, we are helping them, we are putting our first leap of faith. If they are ditching you, or or being not loyal, or cheating, it's their problem. It shows their character.
Right.
You keep on doing what you are, how you are, और 30% लोग चाहेंगे ना, बट 70% लोगों के लिए तुम इनकी उल्टा नहीं कर सकते हो लाइफ में. In my team hiring this happens. My HR also come, इतना ट्रेनिंग मत दो, इतना क्यों आप करते हो, इतना ये कैसे होता है. Every time I tell them, we have to take first leap of faith. We have to keep on training them. We have to really care for them. We have to give them growth. इतना सब करके, if they find something else as better, it's their choice. But we will sleep well in the night. We did everything, and by that we will also grow. ऐसे नहीं कि हम नहीं grow होने वाले.
हाँ, क्योंकि लगता है यार हमने इतना किया, हमने सब सिखाया, हमने किया और ये सीख के चले गए.
Keep doing. I have learned, करते रहो, अच्छा ही होगा तुम्हारे साथ.
I think yes.
And जो बुरा होना है, better they go out.
हाँ, मतलब मैं नहीं थी, कोई बोलती है गलती नहीं करोगे तो सीखोगे कैसे. तो I think as an entrepreneur हम भी गलती करते हैं, उसी से सीखते हैं कि कितना करना है, कब करना है और कैसे करना है.
Yes.
So now when we were talking about scaling up, okay, when you said delegate work, pamper your employees, do all of this. आपके पास अगर 4 ही employees हैं, उसमें आप कैसे काम delegate करोगे? Because सबका अपना अपना एक फोटे है, सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो आप उसमें कैसे delegation करोगे काम का, कैसे scale up करोगे और कैसे motivate करोगे उनको? Because वो तो वही करेंगे जो उनका काम है.
Right.
So आप कैसे उनसे high expectations रख सकते हो? Because everybody will comes today with a mindset, मेरा काम यही है और मैं यही ही करूँगा. तो आप उनसे कैसे करवा के देते हो? How did you do this?
Firstly, pamper मैंने कभी नहीं बोला. हाँ, pamper is a very wrong word. You don't have to pamper your team.
Yeah.
Now, everyone starts with 1 or 2 people. जितने भी दुनिया में कंपनी स्टार्ट की है, everyone has to have their first 4-5 people.
Right.
And it's not about money, right? तुमको पता है, if you have say 10 lakh rupees का package, can that make sure that that person will stay with you? No, right? So the first batch of team is very important. और the first test जब भी बनेगी,
The core team.
जब भी बनेगी, this first team you have to identify whenever people are coming to you. I told you 2 types of people are going to be there with you. ये दूसरा वाला जो टीम साइड है, when you know why this person is with me, it's your utmost responsibility that you have a very good big vision for yourself and the company, which is also aligning with that person's life goals. Not everyone wants to start a business. Not everyone can do it.
Yes.
But when people come, if they feel they are part of your business, they own a part of your thought process. They have freedom for decision making. They are not treated like a machine that comes from you as a leader. ये जो चीजें हैं ना, you have to identify this. फिर एक तैयार होगा, फिर दूसरा साथ में तैयार होगा. And if you have seen my company or videos or anything about me, I never used word employee. It will be either Nathaniel or my team. So we have to remove that words also. ये पुराने जमाने के जब फैक्ट्रीज थे, ये मेरा नौकर है, ये मेरा एम्प्लॉय है, doesn't work in the digital world.
Right.
And जितना ऊपर जाओगे ना, this will matter more because you are dealing with intelligent people, smart people, educated people, people from good background families. अभी उनको घर लेने का टेंशन नहीं है, उनको आगे का है. They already have a home, they already have a car.
Right.
So this is what you have to identify, have a vision, work towards it, and make sure with you they are also doing equally. पार्टनर जैसे ट्रीट करो सबको, मन से, झूठा नहीं.
नहीं, but then करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब I'm not taking it personally, but बहुत लोग हैं, मतलब I speak to so many people who are into startup, just startup and all. They have this issue कि यार हम लोग इतना करते हैं, हम ट्रीट करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा करते हैं और दूसरे दिन ये बंदा गायब.
Think why?
But the problem is, मतलब ठीक है हम बोलने के लिए बोल सकते हैं हाँ प्रॉब्लम हमें, but not every time.
Human by principle is selfish, right? If he is getting a better opportunity, relation, money somewhere else for his knowledge, know this, he is going to go. What is making him stay with you? Do you have that answer? And have you communicated that with them? तब रुकेंगे.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but I don't know. I still don't get this. There has to be a communication. You are communicating and the person is not communicating back, keeping it and then other day गायब.
No, you are just communicating. You are not listening.
So but बोलना भी तो चाहिए. How many times to
Without
ask?
saying listen करो क्या चल रहा है. You're not listening. You are so busy in saying things. You forget to listen. क्या चल रहा है इनका? किधर है? सोचो एक बार शांति में. Listen more, say less.
Okay, maybe I'll think over it again. कि yeah, and I'm sure कि जिन को ये problem आ रही है, they will also think on this कि हम कहाँ गलत जा रहे हैं as an employer.
Yeah. I think Dr. having people with you is the most difficult thing.
Yeah.
कोई भी relation हो. It's very difficult. वो 6 महीने में 3 महीने का काम है, 3 साल minimum लगते हैं to have or connect with a person.
Right.
So you have to go through that journey, have your people, grow them, and it's your responsibility. अच्छे sales लेके आओ, अच्छे money लेके आओ, perks लेके आओ, उनकी lifestyle improve करो. Plus 3 साल उनके साथ में रुकाओ.
Yeah, but then why is it always an employer's responsibility and not an employee's responsibility to take this company as your own company? Well, I have this question, I have this personal question. This is a very selfish question.
सपना किसका है?
Obviously, yeah. But then they are also part of that
It's your
journey.
dream. You are making them part of the dream. But they will not lead your dream or it's their dream. So if it is your dream, they believe in your dream and you as a person, it will be always your responsibility to make sure they understand this is our dream. Don't expect them to go beyond your levels of motivation, hard work, or you have to give them that reason to be that motivated. It's a family kind of a thing. It has to be that way.
Nice. Interesting.
Interesting, yeah, I learned it very hard way. But fortunately I learned
I guess I
at
met
the right time. I got good mentors in place.
Yeah.
One of my current mentors, advisors, is Nainish, helped me a lot through COVID period. A lot of things about me and my company is because of him. Started with that, then my brother, then some friends, some clients teaching you. There is, you might have heard, a community called TLC, headed by Rajendra Bagwe. He was one of the person who taught me, not personally but as a community, बहुत basics level पे, he taught us all this might be a part of his teachings as well.
Right.
Now I have this one person with me. तो ये सब लोग तुमको steps में ना मिलते हैं. You have to ask help for them. ऐसे नहीं. So remember, कभी mentor आएगा ना life में, he is not going to run your show for you or tell you what to do.
Yeah.
You have to go to him. ये मुझे करना है. He doesn't ask you कैसे करूँगा. And they will tell you either terms. They will not tell you एक कर वो कर, never. So also learn how to be a mentee, a good mentee. asking questions where you are stuck, not by asking
वही कर रही हूँ।
अभी कैसे करूँ?
वही कर रही हूँ वही कर रही हूँ मैं सो जैसे अभी ना इतना ट्रस्ट इशू हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल ब्रेकिंग योर ट्रस्ट अराउंड चाहे वो एम्प्लॉय हो चाहे क्लाइंट हो चाहे कुछ हो क्योंकि एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं करते हो कि नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ये हो जाएगा और बिकॉज ऑफ सो मच ऑफ प्रेशर ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आई और मैंने आके आज बोलना शुरू कर दिया कि आज ये करो वो करो मैं कभी कभी मेरे को कोई पागल कुत्ते ने नहीं काटा है टू जस्ट कम एंड से बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेशर दैट आई टेक
Again, I tell you, doctor, you are still stuck to one thought process.
Yeah.
The answer is
I'm not taking this this is a personal thing.
keep giving, keep trusting, keep training. Keep doing it for yourself first, not for them. 50% लोग ये लेवल पे करने ही वाले हैं. Please don't expect this कि ये मेरे साथ लॉयल रहेंगे. They're intelligent people. You can't provide, उनको पैकेज दो और अच्छा हाइजीन दो रहेंगे बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या क्या देना है. यहाँ से समझो बहुत अच्छा सीखा है कोई और पुणे में समझो इन्फोसिस में सेम प्रोफाइल पे ही इज गेटिंग अ 10x जॉब इवन इफ ही लव्स यू हाउ विल यू स्टॉप हिम?
We can't.
So keep doing, keep growing fast at a fast pace. Make sure they believe in the vision. Make them a part of your vision, really, and they will stay. Also, na ye core mein, no, everyone talks about their dad's inspiration. Or dads होते ही ऐसे. Everyone says, dad is my hero. Kids जो बोलते हैं. And yeah, he is that way. My brother or my sister, everyone give them credit. Recently, when I am seeing my wife behind both the kids, सुबह से 6 बजे से रात को 12 बजे तक उठाना है, रेडी कराना है, एग्जाम की तैयारी लेनी है, घर का भी देखना है, मेरा देखना है, and how much selfless energy she puts into the kids, how much she loves them.
Yeah.
At that time I realized, shit, my mom is doing this for me since I am born.
Yeah.
Without any expectation, without asking anything in return for it. और हम मॉम को सबसे ज्यादा ग्रांटेड लेते हैं घर पे भी. ये आई तू है ना वो करो, उनको चिल्लाते हैं, उनसे उल्टा बोलते हैं, उनको हर्ट भी करते हैं. Still आज I am 40 and she has not changed loving me. अभी भी लेट घर पे आऊंगा तो वरीड रहते हैं, घर से वाइफ से ज्यादा फोन करेगी किधर है जल्दी आ. Now I think I have really understood how badly we take them for granted as mothers. And I've been so lucky to have such loving mothers, so caring mother, and so simple. Old types के जो moms है वो अभी नहीं existing.
Exactly.
That kind, and that's one more reason that I've decided not to take her granted for anymore. And मैं सबको बोलूँगा, dad तो hero होते हैं, but moms are superheroes. And never forget that. And never leave a smallest chance to now show her that how glad we are that you were for us. And we are there because of her. So yeah, for all moms and everyone.
Because हम लोग कभी नहीं बोलते directly thank you, love you. या हम लोग की generation बोलती ही नहीं है. I think we don't show gratitude. Not father को भी नहीं बोलते हैं जल्दी. I also have this maybe कि मतलब है अंदर लेकिन वो ऐसे जुबान पे नहीं आता है. And I think that would change if we start doing it.
Let's start doing it. Let's tell everyone
Yeah.
in our generation, be more grateful for your parents, especially moms, and start saying more thank yous, love more, and realize that it's not easy.
Yeah. Because I think as a mother, I expect my daughter to say me I love you. मतलब मैं उसको 10 बार बोलूँगी I love you. जब तक मुझे I love you too नहीं बोलती तब तक मैं उसको बोलती ही रहूँगी. So I think कहीं ना कहीं I also don't do with my mother. वो करना जरूरी है.
करना चाहिए because now you realize.
Yes.
वो नहीं कर रही है because she is going to take you for granted.
Yeah.
Someone has to teach her that what you have mom have gone through to give you this life.
Yes.
पर वो जब सीखेगी
Yeah.
अभी तुम सीख गई हो ना,
हाँ.
मैं सीख गया हो ना, let's give our moms the
credit.
required credit and
gratitude.
and love, most important.
Yeah.
बड़े हो गए तो ऐसे नहीं है, मॉम तू मेरे को क्या बोल रही है, तू मेरे को सिखा. No, stop doing that.
So now, moving ahead, talking about, we have talked about inner core. Now let's come out, your outer core, your friends. How did your friends have been throughout your journey as an entrepreneur? Because आपको real faces of friends भी दिखने लग जाते हैं जब आप एक लेवल क्रॉस करते हो या आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम में होते हो, तब कैसे होता है? How have you, is your core still there? फ्रेंड्स का ये लोग आए गए कैसे हुआ?
In friends has been a journey. School different, college different. तब तक का तो समझ में भी नहीं आता है. But it starts much later, you know. And your real friends is a journey. And the set of friends, my core that I have, is no longer friends. They're all family. We are together since 25 years now. 1999 से I have these friends who are with me. I have been in that way very reserved. I don't open up with new people that easily. But जो अपने हैं उनके साइड में उल्टा डेविल वर्जन होता है. So, and yes, they have been a very important. You know, my partner is also my friend, my best friend. उसके साथ चालू की. But then you have to keep balance between partnership and friendship.
Yes.
So now the real friends who are coming from outside, who are not part of your family.
Yeah.
जो है, think we have seen our own education, उसके बाद के struggles. None of us came from something बहुत कुछ lavish है. You know, we had to become our own. And उसमें fortunately, whenever any one of us has been down, बाकी के लोगों ने they have jumped in to support. Sometimes relationship wise, you know, earlier days maybe breakups है, you know, they have been there. Success में है, झगड़े होते हैं तो you know the first thing है किधर they will jump in there with you. So that way I've been very lucky that I have had my set of friends who really love me. Ups and downs होते रहेंगे, but now after 25 years I see we have been with each other in such good and bad times कि वो किस्से से याद आएंगे ना, कभी रोना आता है, कभी हंसी आती है. और अब you might be seeing my stories and reels. Most important part of my life is friends. उनके साथ वो वीकेंड के 2-3 रात नहीं रहेंगे, गाड़ी में मेरे मस्ती नहीं रहेगी, किधर तो रुक के हम डांस पार्टी में नहीं रहेंगे. ये बाइक राइड जो we have every year, international rides, it's only boys. These times if we don't have, life का कुछ meaning ही लगता नहीं. And equally like a wife and family, this part is that important. And yeah, they've been there with me in worst of worst days and best of best, which maybe you know right now it's a good time. We are having a good time.
So ऐसे जैसे हम बोलते हैं generally कि वाइफ जो है आपकी एक अलग कम्युनिकेशन होता है वाइफ के साथ, एक अलग टाइप का एंजॉयमेंट होता है वाइफ के साथ, बच्चों के साथ एक वेकेशन अलग होता है, बट एक फ्रेंड्स के साथ देखो अलग ही होता है. नथिंग कैन मैच दैट, राइट? सो हैव योर वाइफ एवर बीन जेलस्ड कि नहीं आप उनके साथ रहते तो ज्यादा खुश रहते हो और मेरे साथ वो एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है? और डू यू आल्सो फील इनसाइड कि मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज्यादा खुश हूँ और मैं यहाँ ज्यादा खुश नहीं है? हैड दिस एवर हैपेंड? मतलब कैन यू
मरवाने के लिए बुलाया क्या यहाँ पे? This question has been with us since start of my marriage.
Yeah.
No, of course, everywhere.
Because I think ये सबके साथ भी है.
सबके साथ है. I will compare it with the same situation. A boy is at home. एक मॉम और वाइफ के बीच में जो खींचातानी है, वो सेम वाइफ और फ्रेंड्स में है. Wives are possessive in nature. They want to own the husband. उनके लिए. Initially, it's always attraction. दोनों साइड में. Now, if I go to my friend's side, घर का जाने दो. Both things are evolution. It evolves with time. And how it has evolved for me or my friends or anyone जिनके यहाँ पे sorted है ये चीज़. It's with right communication that you are balancing not letting your wife down or not letting your friends down. जब तुमको friends का side लेना है, you have to talk it out with your wife. It's important for me. I have to do it. If she's saying over हो रहा है, तो कभी बोलो कि आज मुझे over करना है. समझाओ, don't expect her to understand you without you expressing. Mind reader मत expect करो उसको. And that has what helped me overcome this problem. अभी तक है, मुझे तो अभी भी होता है किधर जा रहा है, हाँ जा उनके साथ, मेरे को तो कुछ है ही नहीं. बहुत बार होता भी है, पर बहुत बार she is like, ये दिन he is going to be with his friends. This trip is his friend's trip. I am not going to intervene. So, how it helped me was communicating good with her. Friends से communicate करना नहीं पड़ता है, वो सब समझ जाते हैं.
और इतना टाइम हो गया.
They won't let you stretch with your wife, but एक भी chance छोड़ेंगे नहीं. ना मैं छोड़ूंगा ना वो छोड़ेंगे. But yeah, even for your friends, sometimes communication is important. Today it's important day. I have to be with my wife. If some important occasion you are missing, they'll understand. होता क्या है, जिनका नहीं होता, they are not expressing properly. ना wife को, ना friends को. Please communicate करो. Think it gets sorted that way.
Right. So now again coming back to the startup thing. Okay. Because ठीक है, बीच में हम ये वाले थोड़े से लाते रहेंगे discussion of personal thing, but the more core जो हमारा podcast है about growing, scaling up. Okay. So what do you think is the best decision a startup entrepreneur can take at the first phase of his life to grow?
I think the first step is a good problem you are solving, which is big enough and it is really changing something in the ecosystem. तो गलत प्रॉब्लम पकड़ लिया ना, तो उसका लाइफ भी छोटा है, उसमें से ग्रोथ भी नहीं है. And how much that problem really matter to you, and so with time it fades away. I think the first thing is तुम क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कर रहे हो, और it really matters, or it really gives you a good kick doing that. The problem and solution has to be very important initially. बहुत लोगों को मैंने देखा था वो जर्नी में 5-6 साल पहले started किया. They wanted to feel good about it. अभी सब समझ रहे हैं कि it's not that easy.
It is not. And again, bootstrapping and taking investment has become a very big thing now. कि आप bootstrap कर रहे हो, कि आप investment लिया है, कि मुझे इतना, और लोग इतना investment ले रहे हैं, and then they don't know what to do about it. So have you ever taken investment or everything was just bootstrap starting?
Fortunately, everything is bootstrapped. We were always a profitable company. We never took a single loan till now from anyone.
That's right.
But I thought of raising money in a certain time. We built a product. I was even selected in Hong Kong as one of the top 10 contenders to pitch. But in that journey, what I learned was craze है money चाहिए. If you are ready to give away part of your soul to someone for money easily, then you don't have it with you. But if you know that money is the reason stopping me from the place where I have to go to, there are avenues available to give you money. But if you don't know where you have to go या क्या करना है, then money will burn out and you will fail. So I am going to raise money only when I feel money is the reason blocking my growth, and everyone should think that way. If you are stopped because of money, then raise it. If not, don't think about it. Be owner of your own dream.
So what is the last message that you would like to give to the entrepreneurs, to the startup owner or anybody who's thinking of starting a business? Because not everybody's story is the same. तो आपकी जो जर्नी रही है वो मेरी exactly same नहीं हो सकती. हाँ, कुछ चीजें same हो सकती है, but सबका लाइफ अलग होता है. तो आपका ऐसा एक क्या कोड है या ऐसा क्या मंत्र है लाइफ का as an entrepreneur जो आप देना चाहोगे?
And just care what you are doing, care about your people, care about the people who you are working with. Let everything come from the heart. Most important final quote that I got from my mentors was, money is just an outcome. It's not the goal. You do something that really matters, money will follow, it will chase you. If you chase money, you will never have it. I think that's the last thing I would like to share with everyone. I have to achieve a lot, Prabjot. I have nowhere with 100 people. The goals are different. It's not that I have learned everything. Like you, even I am learning, even I am facing all the challenges, and I know I'm going to still keep on facing it. But yeah, I think I shared whatever I have gone through yet.
Right. Are you into reading?
I'm not a heavy reader, but yeah, I read some interesting books. Yeah.
So what are the 3 important books, or what is that one book that you think every entrepreneur should read?
I think one of the most important books that changed a lot of my thought process, I think I should have read it much earlier, was Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's common, but actually people who are not from a business family or don't know how to handle money, that's the basic step you should read. Which changed my life in COVID actually. Time मिला था, net पे देखा, पढ़ लिया. But it's so smart that just by doing business or getting paid from clients is not going to make you rich or wealthy. How to manage that money, how you have to build assets and what are liabilities. In Rich Dad Poor Dad is one thing I would suggest. 10th pass out के साथ ही चालू होना चाहिए. In our family we should give our kids at 10th.
Right.
Second book is Simon Sinek, Start With Why. That why again changed everything. Identifying, क्यों कर रहे हो? Why you are doing it? Even I've shared that with you.
Yes.
So that changed everything. The spiritual side, there is a book called My Gita. It's Gita, Bhagavad Gita, but told in a very modern way, with relation to you as an individual.
Okay.
Cleared a lot of concepts, not like a religion, but as a way of living. I think these 3 books are still my top 3. Changed everything about me.
So Ruturaj, as you said and as we all see on your Instagram that you travel a lot. So how traveling has changed your perspective both professionally and personally?
So Prabjot, it's actually a very interesting question, very important for everyone. Me being from a small town, Nasik, I've grown up, schooling, college. Pune was a small stint of education. But for me, the world was only this much. Nasik dekh raha hu, Pune dekh raha hu, Mumbai dekha hai. Fortunately, I had opportunity to travel to London very early in my business, and we also have family over there. But when I went there, मैंने जब लंदन देखा अंदर से from lifestyle perspective as well as business, कितना वर्ल्ड बड़ा है, कितना अलग है, लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उसमें, कितने बड़े लेवल पे कर रहे हैं, वैसे वो टाइम पे Mercedes was something big. It was like your taxi picking you up from airport. When I came back from that trip, I was a changed person altogether, and that was where I got this kida of travel, because it impacts you when you see things, you meet people, you get those perspectives. So travel, that's why it's so important for me right now. Forget the vacation and that part. Seeing new places, meeting new people changes the horizon of your thought process. तुमको ये बड़ा लगता है ना, तो वहाँ से जाके आने के बाद ये छोटा लगता है.
Exactly, yeah.
So that's why travel is so important for me. I just love traveling. In my business right now, I have kept travel as my most important job role.
Yeah.
To travel, meet people, get new clients, visit expos, see the world, eat the food over there. So yeah, very important for me.
I relate to this क्योंकि मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है जब हम यहाँ बैठे हैं तो हम इन्हीं सर्कल में बैठे हुए हैं, इतनी सोच में रह रहे हैं. जब हम बाहर जा रहे हैं तो हम अलग देख रहे हैं. बाहर मैं तो बाहर जाके कोडिंग से भी इंस्पायर हो जाती हूँ कि यार we can do this. Why are we not doing this for our client? This can also be done like this.
Exactly.
This is also a way we can market. सो आई थिंक बहुत आइडियाज भी आते हैं, लोगों के साथ मिलते हैं, उनसे बातें करते हैं तो बहुत समझते हैं. तो ट्रैवल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर,
Very
फॉर
important.
एवरीबडी.
Entrepreneur के लिए और because you know there is something to achieve over there.
Yes. Nice. And have ever entrepreneurship or work affected your health?
Of course, it has affect. It takes a toll. This is the thing. लोग है ना वो डार्क साइड नहीं बताते हैं, नहीं तो सोचते हैं. Every entrepreneur, his mental health, his physical health, his relations का health. It's so much stressful. I've been through all the things that you can imagine. You know, my tummy is still affected. My digestion still has a problem. Sometimes there are still anxiety things that happen. So for that, you know, I started with a good healthy routine, a good workout, a good protein intake, change in some diets. If that is balanced, it's helping me to not let it affect my health.
Right.
But yeah, I've been through that journey. There was a point, I think I told you, at midnight my wife had to take me to hospital just because I was feeling I'm having a heart attack, but it was just an anxiety attack.
Yeah.
So that's what.
इसीलिए मैंने 30 डेज फिटनेस चैलेंज शुरू किया है एंटरप्रेन्योर और वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए, क्योंकि हम इतना इसमें रहते हैं कि हम मेंटली भी अफेक्ट होते रहते हैं स्ट्रेस ले लेके, और एक जगह पे बैठ बैठ के फिजिकली भी अफेक्ट. तो लोग मुझे कहते हैं तेरे पास बहुत टाइम है नहीं, निकालना पड़ रहा है.
Yes.
और निकालना ही पड़ेगा इफ यू हैव टू ग्रो.
Yes. I think and you are on right track. ये सोच अच्छी है. जितना लोग समझेंगे जल्दी. I understood it very late. मैंने बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट करना चाहिए था वर्कआउट रूटीन. And very important.
It helps you get clarity also.
Yes.
At work.
Morning exercise and meditation changes entire day.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be missed.
So also talking about small place, ठीक है, we are from नासिक. काफी टाइम ऐसा होता है मेरे दिमाग में भी ख्याल आता है, और बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि ये तो जहाँ बैठ के बिजनेस कर रही है ना, वहाँ पे ये बिजनेस नहीं होगा. You have to go out, go to big place like पुणे जा, बॉम्बे जा, बैंगलोर जा, यहाँ से तुझे क्लाइंट्स मिलेंगे, यहाँ पे काम होगा, यहाँ पे तुझे वैसे एम्प्लॉइज मिलेंगे जैसे तुझे चाहिए. But you have grown in this city from 2 now 150 plus employees as you say. तो कैसे आपके दिमाग में नहीं आए कभी कि मुझे भी बाहर जाके I need to go out and do something? कैसे किया आपने? अब तो मैंने सुना है कि आपके पास लोग बाहर से आके यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं. So how it happened?
So, नासिक में रह के बिजनेस बढ़ेगा नहीं या बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, it depends on the objectives, goals. क्या कर रहे हो तुम? In a digital world, I don't think it really matters that much. Obviously, बाहर जाओगे मेट्रो सिटीज में, जैसे लंदन में ऑफिस रहेगा तो it will make a difference. But at what stage you have to ask yourself. I have seen companies or working with companies in Nasik who are 1,000 people plus companies, 2,000 people plus digital tech companies.
Yeah.
So people is not a problem here. In fact, right now post-COVID, we are getting best of both worlds. यहाँ पे लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी मिल रही है, ट्रैफिक नहीं है. काम के लिए you can go out and do your sales and meetings and come back over here. Initially 10 years ago it was a challenge. I would say थोड़ा सा था तब. अभी मुझे पूछोगी तो you are at the best place at the best time to have your company base and travel everywhere for other business meetings and sales and everything. To answer your question, it's an advantage of being in a metro. But being in Nashik or a small city is not a disadvantage anymore if you make proper use of it.
Okay. And how is the relationship with your employees? Like boss, अब आप जब आप इनिशियल में होते हो, जब हम जैसे अभी हम स्टार्ट होते हैं, I have one-to-one connection with everybody. छोटे लोग, कम लोग हैं, छोटे हैं, सबके साथ में ऐसे हैं. So as a team member, आप because obviously आपसे मैनेजमेंट वाले लोगों से ही ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड रहते हो. जो रूट लेवल पे लोग हैं, जो एक्चुअल में काम कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन है नहीं है, आपकी बात उन तक कैसे पहुंचती है to get it done? कि कैसे
So initial
कैसे
days
system
में
बनता
I
है?
was communicating directly with everyone, right?
Right.
So both that time का, as I've said, I'm a caring person. I'm very strong on empathy. I think from their angle lot more than my own. That has been my good point to connect with people as well. मैं समझता हूँ उनको and I treat them equally. मैंने कभी किसी को गिरा के नहीं behave किया, अभी तक नहीं करता हूँ. तो तब तो डायरेक्ट ही होता था. Always been vocal about it. I have let people take undue misadvantage of my things, but still I have not given up. And अभी I do it with my senior team जिनके साथ मेरा काम है ऑफिस में, the senior leadership of my company. But I've told them that you have to communicate that with the team that you have, because I cannot do that directly.
Right.
So every weekly morning we have sessions, every morning, every monthly. So whatever communication happens, I'm making it sure that they are passing it on. And every quarterly I talk to everyone as a company town hall. क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या plan है, क्या करने वाले हैं. We go out to some farmhouse, make plans, annual plans. So I try to make sure that I'm communicating, understanding if someone is uncomfortable in the office and act on it as soon as possible. So that's how I try to connect with them.
Right. क्योंकि कैसे और एक पता है क्या मुझे लगता है ऐसा स्टार्टअप एंटरप्रेन्योर ना हम लोग मैं भी हूँ चाहे तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि इट वाज अ 10 years ऑफ जर्नी. इतने यार इनके पास इतने एम्प्लॉइज है, इन्होंने इतना अचीव कर लिया है. मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि यार मेरे को तो जो मैं 1.5 साल ही हुआ है, 2 साल ही हुआ है. ठीक है, आई हैव टू गो देयर, आई विल रीच देयर. मेरे को टाइम लगेगा बट वो नहीं होता है. यू डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कंपीटिंग, you directly start thinking कि मुझे यही चाहिए, but from your perspective would be like इसका भी बहुत सीखना, इसका भी बहुत करना है, बहुत लर्निंग है. तो अगर मैं जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी एक स्टार्टअप हमने 10 साल में वो चीजें सीखी, मुझे अगर एज अ स्टार्टअप वो 10 साल अपने वेस्ट नहीं करने अभी तक लर्निंग, तो मुझे ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do कि मैं ये अपने 10 साल वेस्ट नहीं करूँ, जो अपने 10 साल में चुप के मैं another 2 years नहीं कर लूँगी. तो वो क्या मेरा एक स्टेप होना चाहिए?
Have a mentor who has already done that in 10 years. He will shorten that time for you. Because he has experienced that. As I said, I got into it in a very late years of my life.
Yeah.
I've told you, from family to friends to real
Obviously,
mentors.
everybody all around.
But to your question, if you want to reduce this journey,
Yeah.
have a professional mentor with you, guiding you as soon as possible, and you have to ask him right questions.
Yeah.
That will reduce your journey from 10 years to 5 years, like this.
Because कभी-कभी तो friends are there जो इनके businesses है वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं and they are telling you, पर तुम कहेंगे इसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
Professional mentors. A person outside of your ecosystem understands your problems much more than you. Do you know why? कभी सोचा है इसके बारे में? अब इसको भी ज्यादा पता है तुम्हारे बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम क्या है. क्यों पता है?
Third perspective.
क्यों थर्ड पर्सपेक्टिव अच्छा समझ में आता है तुम्हारा बिजनेस है? सोचा है कभी?
क्योंकि हम हमेशा अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचते हैं.
We are very emotional about our business
Yeah.
and we are very possessive about it.
Yes.
The moment you become professional about this one, again I learned this very late, Prabhjot. अपने इमोशंस अपने बिजनेस ग्रोथ को रुकाते हैं. लेट द थर्ड पर्सन टेल यू समथिंग एंड थिंक फ्रॉम दैट. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? डोंट रिजेक्ट आइडिया. तेरे को क्या पता है, तू तो बाहर से बैठ के कुछ भी बोलेगा. पीपल आउटसाइड, आई कैन सी सो मच व्हाट्स हैपनिंग रॉन्ग इन योर बिजनेस राइट नाउ, बट यू वोंट लिसन. यू आर इमोशनल. बुरा लगता है मेरे पास, उसको क्या पता है मैं क्या करती हूँ. Listen to a professional mentor, go to some good communities, ask right questions, and who has done that already, listen to that. But don't lose your leadership. Don't lose your gut feelings. Don't take decisions out of the way. जो तुमको गलत लग रहा है ना कभी मत करो. Listen to people.
ये podcast had become such a selfish podcast कि मेरे ही सारे questions थे.
It's not you, it's everyone who like you and what I have been through. And I think मुझे जो communicate करना है आज, that from this journey, and 10 years of my journey, how we can shorten it for people who are there already.
Right. So what is your vision with Networity? Where do you see Networity in next 5 years?
I think Networity, I have crazy vision now. I mean, we are already in 5 countries. We are already having base in Dubai and London. The way it's moving as an organization now, I'm not into any operational tools actively anymore.
Okay.
I'm working as leader, working on systems and people and new types for the company. So अभी जो दिख रहा है, it's looking very good, very huge. I want to be the first IT tech company from Nashik to be a listed company soon. और उसके आगे का something imagine like a Accenture or a TCS. It's a generational, self-sustaining, huge organization solving big industry digital problems which you started, and now people are going to take care of it and growing themselves and other businesses.
So,
ये plan है.
Now just you said that my goal is this, that I want to get a listed company. Okay, as an entrepreneur, when you start, you also have a goal कि मुझे ये करना है. But in the journey of मुझे ये करना है, you end up doing so many things in a wrong time, at a wrong place, at a wrong way. कि you're doing everything but you're not doing that one thing to reach there.
Yes.
So वो करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Like you also asked me that other day. What is your end goal? मुझे ये करना है, लेकिन ये मुझे कैसे करना है मुझे नहीं पता है. So I'm trying all my hands कि मेरे को ये करके चलते. So what would you guide me? Like मेरी तरह ये बहुत लोगों का क्वेश्चन है करना है लेकिन कैसे पता नहीं.
Yeah. I think even I have been through this exact situation.
Yeah.
What helped was focus and the guidance कि अभी if you have to go to Pune tomorrow, so you know where you have to go, okay? And समझो Google नहीं है, somehow you will find that when reach there.
Yeah.
So you have that focus, ये करना है, ये गाड़ी में ही जाना है. पैदल जाओगी, फिर बस में बैठोगी, फिर बाइक पे किसी की लिफ्ट मांगोगे, इसे नहीं ना, you know. So when you have a goal, you have to have a focus as well. When I started, we started with doing many things. And then it started becoming more and more difficult. Having a niche, a small problem solving into a clear area, getting good at it, having a team doing it for you. एक छोटा ecosystem बनाओगी ना, it's very easy to scale faster that way. But if you keep on doing 10 things at an initial level without people and taking all stress on yourself, मैं तो बढ़ ही नहीं रही हूँ. Bad way to go ahead. Have focus, clear, smaller goals, measurable goals, reviewing them, on monthly basis.
Right.
कम अचीव करो पर अच्छा करो, ज़्यादा ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा बाद में.
Because मैंने लोगों को ये भी देखा है करते हुए कि वो शुरू कुछ करते हैं and they end up doing something else only. मतलब समझो सपोज मैंने डिजिटल एजेंसी शुरू की, मैं कर ये रही, मुझे डिजिटल ही करना है, बट मैं डिजिटल छोड़ के मैं कुछ और कर रही बिकॉज मुझे दिख रहा है कि वहाँ से पैसा आ रहा है. So गोल भूल गए और मतलब फोकस ही चेंज हो गया. So this has also happened. I've seen this.
उसी से सीखने मिलेगा पर you have to either
But I'll still stick to it कि मुझे यही करना है. But still थोड़ा सा.
It's a challenge we all have to face. पैसा का भी सोचना पड़ रहा है.
Yes.
और अपना विजन भी है, लाइक्स भी है.
Yeah.
You can't have everything, एक पैर इधर, एक पैर इधर. You have to choose. The life of entrepreneur is decisions. एक तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. So either go behind something that is giving you money and be uninterested about it, or go behind you actually love, and that money can follow behind you.
और अभी डिजिटल एरा में the life has changed so much for everybody, right? So as an entrepreneur, what do you think? Is social media helping you grow and communicate what you want to communicate to the people? Are you going to take this, make use of this in a very different way as a leader? You said I want to be a lead. I am a leader and I want to mentor people by giving them the right path कि आप ये करो, ऐसे कर सकते हो इसको. So how are you going to use digital medium for yourself?
So for us it's so easy. पहले लोगों को brands को TV पे जाना पड़ता था by spending so much money.
Yeah.
We are so lucky if you have a good content or you are sharing something, billion users are there on Instagram and Facebook or any YouTube channels.
Yeah.
So easy for you to put something out there and share, and if it is actually good, you know people consume it. You
So
don't
do you
have
have
to
any
be-
vision or plan that you're going to start something of your own? मतलब अपने लिए as an entrepreneur के लिए कुछ?
I have a very good ambition of sharing my journey with people from small to 100, 200. Once you are at 100 people company, that means you have a second line ready with leadership team with you. After that, things become very easy. So I have to create content which is going to help reduce this 10-year journey of a fresh entrepreneur to 3 years. And I have to share this educational content, interviews, other people experiences. And now that's in my very important priority list,
Yeah.
that through social media, through podcasts, through interviews, through e-courses, I'm going to reach out to everyone for this particular purpose.
Lovely. So I'm also waiting for your course to start so that I can also,
Yes.
register myself and learn. And all the best for this. And
Thank you.
it was absolutely wonderful having you here.
Same here, Prabhu. This is my first time. Thank you for giving me that privilege. किसने इतना important मुझे दिया नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसी कोई
But
बात
I'm
नहीं.
glad to share whatever.
This मेरे को करना ही था, ठीक है, बट उस दिन के बाद से तो करना ही था. I said नहीं, ये वाला पॉडकास्ट तो होगा ही होगा, because it is happening because of you again. Otherwise, I was lost. I was not even thinking of doing a podcast because क्या होता है ना, जब आप इतने स्ट्रेस में होते हो और डिप्रेस्ड होते हो, आपको कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता होता है. But I think that conversation has changed.
Glad I could do it.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
And I'm sure, like you mentored me, you will mentor a lot of people, and people will get benefit of the course that you're coming up with.
Yes, whatever mentorship I am getting, I'm gonna just give out as much as I can.
Yeah.
Makes me feel good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here.